Hi, I'm Jocelyn. I'm part of the class of 2023 and I'm majoring in culinary arts here at Atlantic Cape. Here in the Academy of Culinary Arts, we get to study a variety of amazing topics such as ice sculpting, food trucks, and homemade pizzas using our outdoor wood-fire pizza oven. This is one of our culinary arts kitchens. It's filled with top-of-the-line equipment that we get to use while learning to make fantastic meals. From blast chillers to sous vide machines, we have it all. Here's one of our baking and pastry kitchens. This program gives graduates a well-rounded education to prepare for successful careers. Here, students work on breads, pastries, cakes, desserts, and confections. Welcome to Carême. This is my absolute favorite place on campus. Here's where all the magic happens and where we get hands-on experience cooking and serving customers. Our front of the house is equipped with a brand new POS system where you can place orders and where our guests enjoy a fine dining experience. Our back of the house consists of prep areas and the hot food line, where all the hot foods such as entrees are prepared. We also have a baking side where breads and desserts are made. Here we have one of Atlantic Cape's most delicious hidden gems, Strudels Bake Shop, where guests can purchase baked goods prepared by Academy students. If you need any help, our chef educators and administrators are located on the second floor. They are super friendly and help us schedule our classes and answer any questions you may have along the way.